Good morning, students. So last class we discussed the weight to volume percentage of solution and their formulas, some problems based on the weight to volume percentage of solution. Today we discuss about volume to volume percentage of solution. Volume to volume percentage of solution. Here both we are taking a ml, milliliters or liters, volume to volume percentage of solution. So what is the meaning of volume to volume percentage of solution? Volume to volume percentage of solution. So what is the meaning of volume to volume percentage of solution? The volume of solute in ml present in 100 ml of solution is called volume to volume percentage of solution. Once again I repeat, that means the volume of solute in ml present in 100 ml of solution is called volume to volume percentage of solution. Here both are having a value. That means here weight of solution also expressed in volume. So solution also expressed in volume. Now formulas based on the volume to volume percentage of solution. First one, formula 1. So in our problem, so first formula is volume to volume percentage equal to volume of solute by volume of solution into 100. So we know that volume of solute value and volume of solution, we don't know volume to volume percentage. So that situation we can apply this formula. Next, second formula. In our question, we know volume to volume percentage value as well as volume of solution value, but we don't know volume of solute. That means we have to find out the volume of solute, then the formula should be changes. Now if you want this one, volume of solute equal to volume to volume percentage by into. So here volume to volume percentage into volume of solution by 100. That means in our question we know that volume to volume percentage as well as volume of solution but we don't know volume absolute, the formula this is. So, the volume absolute equal to volume percentage into volume of solution by 100. Next, third formula. We know volume to volume percentage value, volume of solute we know. We don't know volume of solution. That means in our problem, this value also we know, this value also we know. We don't know volume of solution. We have to find out the volume of solution. That's why the formula should be changes. Volume of solution equal to volume of solute by volume to volume percentage into 100. So, that is the third formula. So, some problems we can do based on these formulas. Now, check it. Keep in your mind, very important, these three formulas. Problem 1. Hundred ml of solute present in 400 ml of solution. Calculate the volume to volume percentage question mark. So, what is that? 100 ml of solute present in 400 ml of solution. Calculate the volume to volume percentage. Now, answer. According to questions, we can identify the what is given, what is not given. So, which one I have to find out. Now, here what is there? Calculate the volume to volume percentage. First, volume to volume percentage equal to question mark. Next. So, volume absolute how much is there? 100 ml means this is the volume absolute value. Volume of solute equal to 100 ml. Next, volume of solution how much given? 400 ml. Volume of solution equal to 400 ml. Now, what is the suitable formula? Here, volume of solute, volume of solution values we know. We don't know volume to volume percentage. Now, the suitable formula apply for this problem. Now, volume to volume percentage equal to volume of solute by volume of solution into 100. So, this is the formula. Volume to volume percentage equal to volume of solute by volume of solution into 100. So, these values apply in the formula. Now, simply this one, right? Volume to volume percentage equal to volume of solute. How much is there? 100 by Volume of solution 400 into 100. 100 1 ja, 100 4 ja. Now 100 by 4. What is the value? 4. 4 2 ja 8. 2. 4 5 ja 20. That means 4 1 ja 4 25 ja. Now value percentage equal to 25. So this is your answer. How much value? 25. Next another problem, check it. What is our question? 50 ml of solute present in 150 ml of solution. Calculate the volume to volume percentage. Now answer. Which one I have to calculate? Volume to volume percentage. Volume to volume percentage equal to question mark. Next, volume of solute, how much is there? 50 ml. Volume of solute equal to 50 ml. Volume of solution, how much? 150 ml. So now what is the formula? We know that formula. Volume to volume percentage equal to volume of solute by volume of solution into 100. So volume to volume percentage equal to volume of solute by volume of solution into 100. So this value is applied in the formula. Now volume to volume percentage equal to volume of solute, how much is there? 50 by volume of solution 150 into 100. Now what is the value? 51 ja 53 ja. Now this one 1 into 100 by 3, that is 100 by 3. What is the value of 100 by 3? How many times possible? 3 times. 3 3 ja 9. How much will 10 minus 9? 1 0 3 9. Take this one. Again 10. Same will come. 3 3 ja 9. So come. That's why volume to volume percentage equal to 33.33%. So this is the problems based on the volume to volume percentage of solution. So remaining topic next class we discuss students. Thank you.